my name is Camille and I want to welcome you to my palace. Today at the palace we have a hair video for you guys today. This is going to be how to do knotless braids. And then we're going to curl the ends up right nice. If you like this style and want to know how to achieve it, keep on watching how to do knotless braids on yourself. But before we get started, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you're notified every time that I upload to receive more hair videos, nail videos, or even fashion videos. On to the video. Alright, y'all, you're going to need braiding hair. I bought 4 packs of this hair, 2 in B1 and 2 in 1. I kind of mix between B1 and 1 for my hair just because I really have that dark brown hair color. It doesn't matter what braiding hair you use. Get whatever you like, long as it's braiding hair. So I kind of just lay the hair out like this, breaking off a pinch at a time. It doesn't have to be completely even, but long as it's kind of even to the eye. So here I'm showing y'all how I parted my hair. I did a part down the middle, and then from that part, 2 parts on each side, or 2 plaits on each side, and then went around my head with plaits, 2 in the very back, and then working the next 2 rows going around my head, if that makes sense. Okay, so to gel the hair for the braids, first I'm going to go in with the Shine-In Jam. I'm going to put this around the perimeter of my parts. And being as though that is not that strong of a hold for my hair, I'm also going to go in with the 24-Hour Edge Tamer. This works really well, and together it's going to give you that really sleek hold, especially if you have really thick hair like me. Alright, y'all, so I'll try to give a close-up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. First, we're going to take the gel and put it all around that part to give it more of a sleek look. Then we're going to section it into 3 parts like you're doing a braid, a regular braid. Go ahead and start braiding down. About 3 times. And then we're going to add a piece of hair in. So I have hair, that piece of hair right there above my pointer finger. And then I have hair underneath my pointer finger. And I'm going to go ahead and take one of those loops of hair. One's going to go above my pointer finger with the hair on top. The other one's going to go underneath my pointer finger, and you're going to blend in just like that and plait again. Or braid again, braiding it into the hair. I know that's a little confusing to see, but continue watching or play it back if you need to. So braid it down in that same position again. We're going to add another loop of hair. Grab it with your pointer finger. Part of it's going to go with the hair on top. The other part is going to go with the hair underneath. You can go ahead and braid. And add your next piece of hair. And you want to add it so that it's that good thickness, consistency that you like. Same thing here, hair go underneath the pointer finger, hair go on top, and then braiding down. And then I'm gonna let y'all watch now. So I normally add about 6 or 7 pieces of hair into the braid, trying to get it to the same thickness as all the other ones. And then after I added all my hair, I continue just to braid straight on down. Alright, y'all, this is how we're looking after I got it all braided up. Maybe I should do a spin. So y'all can see how it look. And then they're pretty long. I think I'm gonna add flexi rods to the end of them and make it like a curl. So I brought a few flexi rods and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Try to wrap it tight. So then when I dip it in water, it'll like mold in that position. Make sure y'all can see this. I don't really know how far up I should do. That's good. And then fold it over so it looks just like that. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing. Gonna wrap it around. Fold up on the ends to try to hold it in place. Like that. Wrap around. I don't want to go too far up the braid, but then fold it back over. And just to show y'all, I have it all in the flexi rods. I'm gonna dip off camera and then I'll come back, okay? So I went on and dipped them. I left them on though, because now I'm gonna add this argan oil from Morocco mousse, foaming mousse, onto my hair. This is a new bottle, so the goal is just to get any flyaways, which I tried to snatch it on. Also, if you haven't already, before you do this, lay your baby hairs. I did mine off camera just because I'm not a baby hair pro. If you can see, I kind of did a little something, something. I didn't leave out too much baby hairs, just what naturally would have been out. And I just tried to swirl them in a direction, okay? Just to go ahead and lay everything in place. And then take a headscarf and throw it on top. If you have a dryer, you can sit under the dryer, or you can use a blow dryer to blow dry over the top to make everything stand firm in place. If not, then just leave it on for about 5-10 minutes, okay? So while I'm waiting for this to melt and sink in, I'm gonna start taking these out, okay? I'm hoping that they stay real tight and curly. And I'm just going to open up both ends and then pull down. And that's what we got. That look cute or whatever. Whatever people be saying. So just like that, straight down. Boop, boop. Yeah, y'all, look at that. I done did that. Got me all excited and whatnot. Yeah. Yeah. Knotless Braids by Camille. Yes, honey. People gonna be stopping you. Oh, your hair look cute. How you do that? Or where you got your hair done at? You be like, I did it. They be like, oh, how you did that? Can you do mine? Boom, boom, boom. Still a little wet though. Okay, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I take this off, okay? All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna take this off, my scarf off. Throw that to the side. We're gonna go in with the argan oil from Morocco, the Shine Mist this time. Gonna give it, new bottle. Gonna give it just a good little spray. Just make sure your hair is shining like you just came out the salon. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you love how your hair turned out, because I love how mine's turned out. This is super cute. Let me give y'all a spin. Yeah. And I hope it was really easy and simple for y'all. And if the braiding part is kind of hard, just practice and you'll get better. Cute little hairstyle to enter into spring, summer. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.